everyone! Today at Costumes and Cocktails, we're going to be doing lace and arsenic. Arsenic and lace. And it's going to be thebomb.com. Because I'm thebomb.com. I'm such a
That's enough! Hello and welcome to Costumes and Cocktails. Today's cocktail is called the Atty, and it is also known as arsenic and lace. The first thing that I'd like to address is my costume. This one is based on Renaissance makeup. The women during the Renaissance period, noble women particularly, wore makeup that contained arsenic, lead ore, hydroxide, carbonate and vinegar, all applied over egg white. This gave them their shining, gleaming silvery appearance, as well as madness, paralysis and death. As far as we know, the Atty cocktail appears to have come from Harry Craddock's Savoy cocktail book. It is, or at least appears to be, the direct descendant of the Attention cocktail. The Attention cocktail was comprised of equal parts of gin, vermouth, creme de violet and absinthe. I hear that it was vile and I have no intention of trying it. The Atty is obviously the more balanced remix of this cocktail. Let's get down to making it. The first ingredient, of course, is gin. We will need 45 milliliters. I've chosen to use J. Rieger's Midwestern Dry Gin. It is quite botanical and absolutely lovely on the palate. The next ingredient is 23 milliliters of dry vermouth. After that, we have 1/2 of a teaspoon of creme de violet. That will add some sweetness. In the Sneddorf-Bailey household, we somehow have an abundance of forks and very few knives or teaspoons. All I found is a tablespoon, which is 15 milliliters. 1/2 of a teaspoon is 2.5, so I am going to have to make very, very baby pours. Oh my god, that's too big. Don't film this. And then we have 1/2 of a teaspoon of absinthe for that super anise flavor. Finally, as an optional ingredient, you can add 2 dashes of orange bitters. I am extremely proud to say that I made this myself. Fancy! Oh my. Time to shake it all out. Once shaken up, you pour it. Garnish with a lemon twist and immediately drink it. I would have thought this would be more purple. If I'd added the full tablespoon, perhaps it would have been. Time for the taste. I don't know how this is better. I don't know how this is better. I really don't know. It's, good lord. The gin is strong. The vermouth is there, very vermouthy. I barely get the syrup. The absinthe definitely has his head up there. It's highly unpleasant. I'm gonna go put some more arsenic makeup on my face and hopefully die before I have to drink the rest of this cocktail. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week.